अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश कीज़। आज हम ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस की एक्टिविटी करेंगे। मैंने आपको ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस सारी की सारी पढ़ा दी थी। अगर आपने ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस का लेक्चर नहीं देखा तो उसको आप ज़रूर देखिएगा। आज हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे और हम देखेंगे कि आप ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस के हवाले से कितना जानते हैं। तो 30 टोटल क्वेश्चंस हैं। फर्स्ट जो 15 क्वेश्चंस हैं एमसीक्यू बेस्ड हैं, फिर उसके बाद 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं जो स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड हैं, और फिर उसके बाद 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि ब्लॉक बेस्ड हैं। तो हम इसकी जो प्रैक्टिस है वो हर लिहाज से करेंगे ताकि आपकी हर लिहाज से तैयारी हो जाए ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस की। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, आई लॉस्ट माई कीज़ डैश आई लेटर फाउंड दैम अंडर द टेबल। इन फैक्ट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल या हाउ एवर। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ हाउ एवर। ठीक है, तो करेक्ट जो सेंटेंस बनेगा, आई लॉस्ट माई कीज हाउ एवर आई लेटर फाउंड देम अंडर द टेबल। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है, दैट इज जॉन फॉरगॉट टू स्टडी फॉर द टेस्ट डैश ही गॉट अ वेरी लो ग्रेड। सिमिलरली, ऑफ कोर्स, फर्दर मोर, द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सिमिलरली। Similarly, John forgot to study for the test. Similarly, he got a very low grade. The sun is very large dash more than 1 million earths could fit inside. The sun is very large, nevertheless, in fact, meanwhile, the correct option is in fact. In fact, the sun is very large. In fact, more than 1 million earths could fit inside it. I did not have time to eat breakfast dash I'm really hungry now. I did not have time to eat breakfast. As a result, additionally, here to illustrate, the correct option is as a result. Okay? As a result, I am really hungry now. He waited 10 minutes for the bus dash he got on it and went to bus. He waited 10 minutes for the bus. In summary, in point of fact, yeah, then the correct option is then. Like he waited 10 minutes for the bus, then he got on it and went to school. Space travel isn't easy dash only 12 people have walked on moon. Likewise, indeed, yeah, next the correct option is indeed. Indeed, only 12 people have walked on the moon. Acha, smoking is unhealthy dash it is an expensive habit. Smoking is unhealthy. In other words, moreover, yeah, on the other hand. ठीक है, smoking is an expensive habit. Moreover, it is an expensive habit. ठीक है, अच्छा, first I went shopping dash I went home and cooked dinner. Afterwards, that is to say, yeah, to be sure, the correct option is afterwards. Yes, you are right, afterwards. The storm was severe dash many homes were destroyed. In contrast, next, indeed, the correct option is indeed. Indeed, many homes were destroyed. Our teacher was sick dash she was absent yesterday. Even though, likewise, yeah, as a result, the correct option is as a result she was absent yesterday. Susan is here, Sam is here, I am here dash we are all here. As an illustration, in short, yeah, further, the correct option is in short. In short, we all are here. Acha, I am in another city dash I did not rob the bank. I was in another city. Obviously, I did not rob the bank. Namely, I did not rob the bank. Yeah, in comparison, the correct option is obviously. Obviously, I did not rob the bank. Acha, learning a new language is fun. Dash, it takes a lot of time. Because of this, finally, yeah, on the other hand, the correct option is on the other hand. Okay, fun to hai, lekin on the other hand, it takes a lot of time. Next question here, the history of life is never certain. Dash, dinosaurs are now extinct. For instance, all in all, equally the correct option is for instance. मिसाल के तौर पर, ठीक है. Okay, next question is, let me get back. Question number 15. That sports car isn't cheap. Dash, I'm not going to buy it. Nonetheless, to put it another way, yeah, in like manner, to put it another way, ठीक है, I'm not going to buy it. अच्छा, transition signals are very useful dash they can help to join ideas specifically, hence, yes, subsequently, the correct option is hence they can help to join ideas. तो ये हमने 16 क्वेश्चंस की एमसीक्यू बेस्ड. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा पार्ट है उसमें हम देखेंगे कि हमारे पास सेंटेंसेस की फॉर्म में कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं स्टेटमेंट्स के फॉर्म में, और उसके अंदर जो दो हमारे पास ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस हैं उसमें से आपने सेलेक्ट करना है कि कौन सा ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइस जो होगा वो ठीक होगा। अच्छा, अब ये मैंने अंडरलाइन कर दिया है, लेकिन इसमें से मैं फिर आपको ठीक करके दिखाऊंगा। डैश इट वॉज रेनिंग आई डिड नॉट वॉक माई डॉग दिस इवनिंग। बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग या बिफोर इट वॉज रेनिंग? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग। Because it was raining, right? Because it was raining I did not walk my dog this evening. I love chocolates dash I eat chocolate candy wherever I can. तो अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन हैं, although and so. कितने ऑप्शंस हैं? 2 ऑप्शंस हैं, although and so. I love chocolates, so I eat chocolate candy wherever I can. So the correct option is so. अच्छा, the test was really hard dash only 5 students passed it. Therefore only 5 students passed it, या then only 5 students passed it? The correct option is therefore only 5 students passed it. Therefore only 5 students passed it. Therefore only 5 students passed it. First you have to answer the question dash you hand in your paper. Next you hand in your paper, yes, so you hand in your paper. The correct option is next you hand in your paper. Ben needs to go to bed early dash he will be late for school. Although he will be late for school या otherwise he will be late for school? The correct option is otherwise he will be late for school. अच्छा, you will see a big tree dash you will see a fork in the road. You will see a big tree. Further on you will see a fork in the road. Further on you will see a fork on the road. अच्छा, he really loves reading dash he reads almost all the day despite या in fact? The correct option is in fact he reads all the day. अच्छा, that would not be smart. In other words that would be idiotic, या despite that would be idiotic? The correct option is in other words that would be idiotic. अच्छा, dash the trees of the forest the deer ran gracefully. Among the trees of the forest या over the trees of the forest? The correct option is among the trees of the forest. उसके बाद you are always late dash you can be trusted. ठीक है, you are always late. On the other hand you can be trusted. You are always late. ठीक है, on the other hand you can be trusted. अच्छा, उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट हमारे पास एक्टिविटी है उसमें हमारे पास 5 सेंटेंसेस हैं और 5 ही वर्ड्स हैं। तो उसमें से हमने क्या करना है, हमने देखना है कि कौन सा वर्ड कहाँ पर आएगा। वी नीड अ मीटिंग प्लेस dash the fountain is a good spot. After all, finally, despite या in front of? The correct option is in front of. ठीक है, in front of. इसको मैं ज़रा इसका जो हाईलाइट है उसको मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ ताकि आपको नज़र आए। in front of, ठीक है, in front of the fountain is a good spot. उसके बाद we have been waiting in line for 45 minutes dash we can buy our tickets. ठीक है, after all, finally, despite या in any event? The correct option is finally we can buy our tickets. अच्छा, dash the high cost of the ticket I am going to the concert. After all, despite या in any event? The correct option is despite the high cost of ticket I am going to the concert. अच्छा, I'm his biggest fan dash I have all his albums. I'm his biggest fan. After all, I have all his एल्बम्स। आखिरकार मेरे पास उसके सारे एल्बम्स हैं। तो हमारे पास एक ही क्वेश्चन बच गया और एक ही हमारे पास ऑप्शन बच गया। इन एनी इवेंट आई विल थॉरोली इंजॉय द शो, यानी कि कुछ भी हो जाए आई एम गोइंग टू इंजॉय द शो। तो आज हमने ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस की जो एक्टिविटी है, जो एक्सरसाइज है, वो हमने की है। अगर आपने लेक्चर को नहीं देखा तो उसको आप लाजमी अटेंड कीजिएगा। और ये जो वर्कशीट है आपकी सहूलत के लिए मैं इसका लिंक भी वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल रहा हूँ ताकि आप इसको बाद में इसको प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकें और इसको अपने पास महफूज भी रख सकें। अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।